Hello and hi to every one of you watching me. My name is Jessica and this is my official first video on this account, Cash Out Big. Yeah, if you're just meeting me for the first time, guys, I'm Jessica by name and I would like to know more about you guys. So what am I going to be doing basically on this app? Guys, I bring you another app, another app where resemble TikTok. Wey resemble TikTok, where you guys go dey do things wey they do for this TikTok. Now the same thing I go do for that app, and they go dey pay you. Yes, they will be paying you for doing just simple things. And the thing is that it favors the ladies. So if you are a lady, comment how right now in the comment section. I will come and rush out at you, and I will give you my number. You DM me. I'm going to show you the steps, everything you need to do. Go live, you get paid. Sit on people's party seat, you get paid. Gift, you get paid. Gift, you earn more coins to get paid to even gift more people. Guys, this is real. For the girls, you are the one that your account pays you earn in the account. But for the guys, you have to get to some a particular level before you start earning on the app. So guys, if you want to know more about this app, before I start talking so many things, man, no bore you many things, you understand? It can work for everybody around the world, just Nigeria. And guess what? You get your money withdrawn. You will withdraw your money straight to your bank account. Guys, it is real low. If you want to know more about this, you want to follow me on this journey, all you gotta do now is to tap on this plus button right here to follow me, like this video, comment I am interested, and I will put you through all the steps. Guys, trust me, I am already earning. I have cash out and I'm on my way to cash out to withdraw my second time. So guys, comment how I am interested, and make sure you share these videos to friends. Do not forget to follow me, guys. Let us go on this journey and let us know more about this app, and let's start making our own money and say no to urgent 2K. See you in my next video.